Yeah, big titties around this thing. Yes, sir. One thing I'm gonna do, we gonna get that foolie footage, man. Signal going RPM as far as so low on the E-way. Oh damn, a little tax signal. Nah, but hey, she purring. Good oil pressure, tack, whoa, whoa, tack working. You know what I'm saying? Everything working. Feel me? And we headed to Young Pull Up and Park right now. I'm a little bit late, but I'm on with my boy Justo. He said he got a little stop for me, man. He gonna get me in that mile lot, so I'm trying to go ahead and make it on up there and do what it do. It's loud as hell in the background because the windows is down and it's hot as hell outside, and you know what I'm saying, I ain't finna be sweating with the windows up to talk to y'all real quick. So we gonna make this intro nice and short and get to it, man. You know, just sit tight, like, subscribe, and like I said, once I pull up, I'll cut it back on. I know that wind is going crazy on y'all. Gang, gang, gang! What it do, y'all, man? Another day, sunny day. Hey man, I know, I'm not, matter of fact, before I even start off talking, I'm not even sure if this video gonna drop before the first drive video. It might, will do. The GoPro acting hella amazing. It's taking forever to transfer the file, and when it do transfer over, it don't transfer all the clips over, so I don't know what's going on. I'm steady trying to transfer it over. I mean, it's gonna be weak as hell if I gotta go redo a whole another first drive video, because it technically won't be the first drive video no more. But man, it's some lit ass footage on that one, so I don't know if that's gonna drop before this or if it's gonna drop after this, based on if the GoPro stop tweaking and I can do what I gotta do. But if not, man, just bear with me, you know, it is what it is. I'm trying to literally get all that footage so I don't have to redo it, because your boy was out there getting real foolie for y'all, you know what I'm saying, in real life, enjoying the whole demonstration on this thing, man. But I'm literally like 5 minutes away from the Young Pull Up, man, at the Big T bar right now. It's hella cars up there and stuff like that, so we gonna get all of them. You know what I'm saying? Get a little razzle dazzle for y'all, man. This thing light them up like it ain't nothing. And we on them young radios, you feel me? So yeah, man, this thing juicy. I ain't gonna catch it. This thing, I'm talking about so easy. Then it's just such a head turner. Well, I thought I used to turn heads in the Bell. This demonstration really be turning heads. And I ain't even put the sauce to that thing yet, you feel me? It's just regular degular, you know what I'm saying? But I put that koolie sauce to it, oh my God. R.I.P. You feel me? Cause this finna murder the game, you know what I'm saying? Big murder. Like, I ain't gonna capture y'all, man, but yeah, I'm about to pull up in a little hot second, man, so I'm about to get back to enjoying the ride. Supposed to be a decent amount of cars up there as well, too, so, you know, hey, it's summertime vibes, man. One thing I can say is vintage air is about to come immediately. I am hot as hell in this demonstration. Just took the E-way so I could just get some wind flowing through here, but yeah, I need some vintage air in this thing. I ain't gonna capture y'all, man. Come on now, move out the way, my boy. Try that thing. Try that thing or get it out my way. One of the two. But yeah, man, Yeah, I'm about to pull up there. And when I pull up there, I cut this demonstration back on for y'all, man. Bet with me on the first drive video. GoPros want to play with me, man. They want to play. I ain't trying to go. So, sit tight, y'all. What's the word, man? Chillin'.
I said what? You go this way. Got to the pavement. What's
the word, boy? Y'all see Fly out here, that thing, man. Got Freaky out here. What up, man? What's the word, my boy? You out here with the cars? I see you fresh as shit, man. Damn, what's the word, man? Chillin'. Yo, what's the word, man? I see you out there with all the drizzle. Damn. Oh, okay. Grandma icy as hell there. What's going on?
Y'all see what it is, man. It's
yeah, man. We out here chilling, man.
Bruh.
Appreciate it, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna pop the hood, let y'all see how clean none the motor is. Oh, let me have Mills wear a whole day on camera. What's the word, man? Hold this camera for me one time, pop this hood, y'all. Come on, man. I got you, man. Got you, man. We out here, man. We out here, man.
Alright, so I'm getting in on this.
Yeah.
I'm getting in on this.
Okay. Ain't no giveaway on this joint. Let y'all know right now.
You said cut it out.
Cut it out.
Ain't no giveaway on this.
No, I'ma sell the motor.
No giveaway on this one?
I'ma sell the motor.
He always say that, then he'll come out like, you know what? He gonna say something else.
Why they think I'ma get this thing away?
They ain't gonna have it. That nigga gonna pop up and like, yeah, you know what? Got something for y'all.
No, sir. Yeah, look, they dead. They dead, Reese.
For those who know,
yeah, nah, this one ain't going nowhere, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'ma snatch that motor out, and I already got my killer for it, so you know, I'm just being patient. I'm just being patient and enjoying my time right now. You know what I'm saying? Okay, bet. Yep. About what? Month, 2 months, or something like that now. What's the word, man? The word, man. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. He's talking about hit him with the fat G. What's the word, boy? Hey, so I go on Prime next weekend.
Average hood nigga car right here. That's all I love about it.
No, it's minty. It's minty. Like, I'll show you the trunk too. Look how clean the trunk is. Truck clean, still got the factory lick up in there. Solid.
My God.
Yeah, it's flawless, man. It's flawless. Yeah, gang. No giveaway once again. No giveaway. I'm not gonna pull up and surprise y'all. Before I do that, y'all gonna see me purchase something else for y'all. This was mine, goddammit. This was mine. So y'all see me with another one, that might be the one for the giveaway. But this one, nah, not happening. Not happening,
I
man.
don't blame you, bro.
Not happening.
Like this.
Hell no, but I'm turning heads the way it is, just sitting as is like this. It's making me think like I ain't even have to get to doing all the extra stuff that I was gonna do, but I got to put that koolie flavor to it. You know what I'm saying? Got to do it. Got to do it.
Listen, y'all, man, when I tell you this car is factory fresh, you know what I'm saying? Like, I done seen a lot of 69 Camaros at shows. Bro, this is one of the best ones I've ever seen.
Yeah, this thing mint, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
It's not a overly over show car. It's still a driver, but it's mint. It's a mint driver.
Yep.
You ain't gonna get no better mint driver quality than this.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, anything else you see at a level higher than this gonna be something you gonna see at
that
the World of Wheels.
Driving type shit or nothing, you know what I mean?
Trailer Queen, World of Wheels.
I'm driving.
That's the thing I respect about Koolie, man. He gonna drive this shit. He gonna have fun. He gonna enjoy it. Because he ain't gonna let nobody else enjoy it.
Yeah, you feel me? Some of my pops and brothers, you know, them,
no, I'm talking about as far as like wait till you old and go.
No, hell no, I'm gonna get my ropes through.
Then somebody go out and get dog that bitch.
No, hell no. I'm doing all the dogging. You know what I'm saying? I'm one of them, look, I don't save the, you know, hey, her name Little Freaky for a reason, you feel me? Yeah, 69, you know, I had to. You know,
Tight,
you know what I'm saying?
Hey, I thought I was tweaking when you said it. I'm like, his ass ignorant.
I like that.
Yeah, you know, had to flow with it one time. I love a little sexy girl, man. You feel me?
Ooh,
Yes,
it
sir.
look mean with the drag setup.
Yeah,
too,
yeah.
bro. Like it's,
It do that too.
yeah.
What's the word, man?
Yeah. So I mean, once you do what you do,
Oh yeah. It's in the works already.
bro, I already know how
It's
you come.
yeah. And it's finna be real monsters.
Bro, when I tell you,
Hey man, y'all you gotta sit back and see how I'm coming. You gotta see how I'm coming. Wheels on order though.
Yeah.
Wheels on order. You know what I'm saying?
Billy.
Wheels on order. The whole shebang. Everything is. I got pretty much all the pieces. I know exactly how I'm trying to come. I just gotta get everything, and then I don't want to miss the summer. So I don't know if I'm gonna bust it down and get to doing it now, or if I'm gonna wait till the winter time and do it. But I
bro,
mean,
you ain't slacking.
yeah,
now.
that's why I said I'm decent
know?
now, just on the way I'm moving like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, needed that.
Activation.
You know what I'm saying? That activation.
Act
just
bad
that-
coolie. Hey Mel,
You know it.
tag team, y'all. Tag team. Hey, you don't see one without the other. No sir. But yeah, man, make sure y'all go show my people a whole lot of love.
Oh man, love, bro.
Be cooling, Mel's World.
And y'all already know it's Blingy Reese, you know what I'm saying? Stutter, he over there dancing, big dancing, you know what I'm saying? Granny icy than a motherfucker.
We outside though.
Yes,
man.
sir, you know it.
Shout out to Bag Talk for putting
Yeah, man, we finna bend around here and catch some of these cars and see what's all around. I'll get back up with you in a minute.
No towels, give it away, bro.
Oh, yeah, you know they're mandatory.
As soon as I look in the car, I say this fool.
That's mandatory. I get the towels on the way to get in the car. I get the towels when I get the car. What's up, man? You giving me the keys today? My man. This how I'm trying to ride right here. We gonna swap it out. I need, look, you saw.
Right now,
yeah, this thing wet as hell though, man. Y'all know my boy Buff out here in that toy. Got that AMG lick out here. Real righteous. Boy, it's hot as hell outside, man. They got an MC out here too. Yeah, let's check his guts out. This you, I see you walking, you ready to pop in. You about to get up out of here?
No, I'm ready to get up out of here.
I see you, man. I see you looking good. I like the combo. Y'all see it, man. LS Money Gang. The cars out here, though, man. The cars out here. Got two gold. What's these? Lax? Oh, yeah. 2 lax on lax. Sitting righteous. Oh, yeah. He looking good. That gold on gold looking good on that thing. Gold on that thing. Big 4G on this thing. Oh, just fired up. He finna cut up. He finna cut up or what? Let me see if he gonna cut up. Go on rump it one time. Go on rump it one time. Let me hear that thing, man. Let me hear that thing rump, man. Let me hear you rev it up one time, man. I thought you'd have been in the other toy. Huh? Uh-oh, he got the copyright going. I got to move around on him. Got to move around on him. He got the copyright going on. I see you, no hood, shawty. Y'all see, he's showing the gems on this thing. Showing the gems on this thing. Woo-wee. Y'all see the forges. Guts all done, console suited and booted. Oh, y'all see that bottle? I ain't see that bottle before. Damn, this heat killing me. Woo! Yeah, that bottle up in there. I said, oh, okay. You better put a towel over that thing. You better put a towel over that thing. Put a towel over that thing, man. What's the word, man? Chillin'. I ain't got no juice on deck, man. I pulled up. I'm like, damn, I tweaked. I'm like, I wasn't even prepared for it. Next time, I'll have it on deck. I'll have it on deck for sure, for sure. Yeah, I see the dog, man. Looking righteous. Yeah, this thing nasty, boy. They got the copyright going. I ain't trying to get hit with the copyright. This is why I need to be in the shade, though, goddammit. What's the word, man? What's the word? What up, what up, what up? What's up? What up, what up? Huh? Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. I'm finna put the camera down and get to chilling. It's hot as hell out here. Sweating like man, sweating. Sweat. Yeah, y'all, I'll get back with this in a minute, man. I gotta dry myself off. I'm hot as hell. Yeah, I'm finna see if he tee up one time for me, goddamn. He just did for me. What up, Koolie? What's the word, man? Trying to get foolie footage. You know it. I done missed the foolie footage, man. I ain't get it, man. Damn. Yeah, hold on. Let me get past you. Here, I go on this side. Fuck it. Oh, stay on that side, my boy. Back. Hey, turn around and pull up over there. What's the word, boy? Need that foolie footage, my boy gonna deliver. Big tattooage around here. Yes, sir. Needed that foolie footage, my boy. Love the smell of that rubber.
You know when he come out, boy, they have to start acting bad.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they want to show up with a booty cam.
Hey, man, it's mandatory. Big tattoo around here on the big 8, y'all. He cutting up. That thing right, boy. He's spooling up, man. Look, I'm trying to overtalk that young copyright. Hopefully they don't get me. That motherfucker cutting up. Oh shit, he got the copyright going.
With all that hate, hold up, so I pull a
Hey, what do you say? You say my shit popped, you go pop yours. Oh yeah, big titties around this thing, you know what I'm saying? Big titties on this thing, man. Y'all thought it was one, 2 of them things on there. Yeah. Holly Dash in there, still getting the guts of console and all that situated. So yeah. They get the vision though. They see the vision, you know what I'm saying? The Holly Dash in there.
Business right here, boy.
Oh wee. That mean he doing custom dash. Y'all see it. Yeah, he doing big custom dash. But he acting bad, man, with them young turbos on there too. Holly intake. Shit Cerakoted. Okay. Let me move away from that heat though, cause that motherfucking sun. I'm trying to stay as cool as I can out here. Hey, it's good heat out here though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, he's fooling. He gonna do what it do.
Yeah, he definitely
He gonna do what it do. And he gonna get it on the track too. Like I know that's what he got all that. Oh shit, somebody else coming in here vicious. Who that? Oh damn, I done missed him. Damn, I'm finna go. I gotta move to that side. Ain't no foolie shit going on here. All the shit hitting there. I gotta make sure I got enough battery for afterwards because everybody's cutting up. This motherfucker right here, y'all. Hey man, I'm gonna drop the link to the video. Oh yeah, this thing get real itchy. Man, what you doing out here with this turtle, man? They say this thing slow, man.
Oh, I ain't fucking with it.
What's the word, man? Hey man, y'all see it, man. Still out here looking juicy and sexy the right way. Big pro charge on this thing. Hey, see, look, you don't need the towels when you got that cushion.
No, that's good.
I need that cushion because I'm out here still with the towels. I need the cushion.
Yeah, we need to step it up.
Yeah.
2023, we gotta go.
On me. Yeah, man. Big pro charge out here though, man. Y'all see that in the cool on there? Yeah. I got a full review on that car too. I'm gonna drop the link in the description if y'all wanna go check it out. That thing get big foolie, but I'm literally finna save my battery power because now these boys pulling up and they all cutting up. So I know where to stand and where to be when this shit about to go down, man. So y'all know I'm gonna catch all that acting bad footage, man. So sit tight, stay tuned. Be back with y'all in a minute.
And he really can't help it. He got power. He can't help it, boy. I ain't gonna lie. He got power.
Oh, this my boy. It's my boy out here. I had to, why wouldn't I think that?
Hey, what up? Hey, you wanna park your shit? You can find the park over there.
Hey, park in the back of 7-Eleven parking lot. Hey,
He can park in front of me. I just moved. You heard me? You heard me? He can park in front of me if you want.
Yeah. If y'all, I don't know if y'all want to.
what's the name? Pull it out.
Yeah.
Hey, they stand in the parking lot. Right here.
Yeah, he was gonna do it.
Yeah, they standing right there though.
He was gonna do it.
They gonna get this shit shut down, bro.
Look, they ready. Hey, and they drink a Celsius drink too, so they got hella energy. Look, they ready to get on it. He's supposed, I'm telling you, I don't know, he cruising fast, that's fast.
Yeah, but they gonna get that shit shut down though. That's the fucked up.
Oh yeah, you know that's gonna happen at all this shit. You know that's gonna happen at all this shit, man. Come in front of me, come on. This way. Police still sitting around now? He gotta turn that bitch around. He gotta turn that bitch around. Yes, sir. Turn that bitch around on me. I hope he ain't just hit that block. Damn, y'all. We done missed it. Bop. He done left the other way. Hell nah.
Hey, that nigga gonna come around the corner sideways on that.
Man, look, I'm gonna keep this bitch running there for a second. He sound like he left. Shit. Damn. I knew he was gonna do so. I'm like, I walk up, I say, shit, 12 still over there? Or I should call him. Boy, you done left the other way and didn't get, what the fuck? I definitely want to catch him twisting that bitch. Damn.
We already missed it, but y'all can look at the smoke. That's the most I can do for y'all. That's the most I can do. The smoke right here.
Turn around. Turn around. Let me go cut up. Oh, hold on. He gonna cut up right here. You ain't gonna let nobody.
Shiny diamond shirt, plate, throwing bananas, I had the car.
That bitch up, man.
When words that had the shit to the back, his price will happen. You fuck what I buy. Walk in your trap and take over your trap. Kicking in the draft, your city with draft. When you get home to some money, they gon' buy.
You can park in front of me. You can park in front of me. Woo, that motherfucker there, boy. That bitch, boy. That motherfucker sounds so good. God damn.
Hey, you supposed to have a
My fault, bro. Oh shit, I'm just recording. My bad. God damn. God. They big tattoo around this thing, gang. Damn, that motherfucker's a vicious, boy. Boy, done pulled up with the hawk on the 6. He done pulled through. I see you, boy. Sauce. Hey, that no burnout rule out the window. What'd you say? All right, you said that black one, right? Oh, man. Hey, Greg, you got it on that one, man. He done brought that motherfucker out. What's up, my boy? The police said I hang with all felons in my bitches. Hey, they came too. They rolled the block, niggas saying I'm a my car chain with fellas in it, nigga. The police said I hang with all felons in my they rolled the block, niggas saying I'm a They done pulled up in them things, boy. Not like that family blood, man. Let me see if I get Twan to go ahead and shake some one time for me. See if I get Twan. I'm trying to see, yeah, for one of them to shake something one time for me. Trying to see if we get somebody to twist something. Jailbreak, red eye, big lacking. What's the word, one foot? Let's see if we get Twan to get itchy one time. What's the word, mate? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cut up one time for your boy, man.
Need that thing to twist up, boy. Let the big blocks talk. Yeah. Told y'all I'm gonna get that foolie footage for y'all, man. One thing I'm gonna do, we gonna get that foolie footage, man. Word, man. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. Gotta get that foolie footage, man. Hell yeah. Tops down. Yeah, this how I'm trying to come, y'all. Silver though, you feel me? To have that silver motherfucker behind that bitch. Oh me. Big 8 on that bitch. Damn, that bitch tough as fuck too. Yeah, people pulling up acting bad.
Later that same evening.
Y'all see me riding, man. Man, looking good. Cross-side good. Record when we was cutting up, but just know we was on that. We all was on that. On the E-weight chopping it up. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, I had a good ass time out here, man. It's been a minute since I done popped down, you know, the car seat and everything. Just, I mean, man, it's been so cold out here today. Nothing been going on or nothing like that, but it's been decent as hell out. Today was a good ass turnout. Dang, my bad on not having the koolie juice out. I just was respecting the Bixie Bob and them being a buy and everything, trying to let them get their coin, because I know if I had popped that young truck, this bitch is gonna look like the trap house. You feel me? But next go round, koolie juice will be on deck for y'all, man. Guarantee that. What up, gang? What up? You know what I'm saying? Koolie juice will be on deck next go round. So don't disappoint. Come to the young, little freaky, and get nice and saucy with the gang, man. On to the next one, y'all. We finna turn up and reside. It's finna rain and everything like that. We out here moving and grooving. Y'all see Gooch. Gooch out here chopping, cutting it up, man. Come on, Impala, get the fuck out my way. I'm trying to get to the same thing they on. Come on, man. Move that motherfucker. Move that motherfucker. Move that motherfucker. Fuck you talking about. Like I say, gang, that first drive video crazy. All I need is the GoPro to act right, and I'm gonna bring it to y'all. If not, y'all gonna get this one first. But in the meantime, between time, we gonna get with y'all on another one, man. We rolling these things. Woo, Gooch cutting up. I see you, my boy. Oh, little freaky ready to talk bad. We acting bad out here, man. Bird 70, 72 on them things. Y'all see it, 69 Camaro. Huh? I've been driving. Acting bad, gang. Y'all on it. Y'all getting the foolie footage that y'all wanted. On the E-way with it. Oil pressure static, scalper static, temperature static, open static, small block built the right way. Yes, sir. Oh, 392 direct. All right now. I see you. I see you. Act bad. Woo! That motherfucker spinning, ain't it? That bitch spinning. Hell yeah. might kill tonight though, y'all. So I'm finna pop on over. I'm gonna check the weather and see what's to it. If not, we can get outside. My boy Goose cutting up. Get with y'all on the next one, gang. Hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Hey, I'm gonna try and bring it to y'all as much as I can, y'all. Sit tight.